Let's go! We've got 40 seconds to get out of here. That's actually loads of time. I don't care. The Ryno is gonna upgrade soon. The Ryno is going to pwn you all. The Ryno will destroy everything in sight. The Ryno. Oh my god, they got to me. You escaped the Ryno! Oh my god, I didn't lose my times 17. Oh, that's funny. Those guys didn't see it coming. Poor suckers. Ah! No! I lost my time. Oh crap. No! I almost died.
Quark. Hurry up. We must leave now. Not without Quark. He would have waited for us. I think. Good for him. Wait!
I only had 2 seconds left. That was longer than 2 seconds. Therefore, we should have died. My favourite cutscene in the game! I love it. It's amazing. You pretty bored. Congratulations, we've been in the chat for 6 hours now. Yay!
Awesome. That's how dedicated we are to this LP.
Aww.
Well, we are all very glad.
I love this cutscene, it's so funny. Turning up because it's that
Any
epic.
other craft leaving the Star Cruiser? An escape pod? Another shuttle, maybe? Anything?
I'm sorry, Ratchet. We heard the whole thing over the comlink. You had no choice. Captain Quark died a hero.
Frolic in the fitness course under the wee hours of the morning. Captain Quark had so many wonderful qualities, I just don't know where to begin. Such as... okay. He was really...
Clink's an asshole.
And he had a unique...
Oh, wait, I forgot. There's no Clank.
And he had a really big chin with kind of a sort of a, well, you know, a butt shape. Well, you know, I think I've droned on long.
Here it is, my favourite part of the game.
I just heard what happened. I wanted to offer my condolences to the team. Quark's loss is a true tragedy. The man was a hero. Brave, honest, kind, and humble.
Here comes Clank.
What a load of bullshit.
I don't care about the rest of the cutscene, that's just brilliant. What a load of bullshit. Genius. I'm rich. Can I actually buy all of these? No, I don't think so. I'm not going to get them yet. I've got a Quark vid comic to do. Get out of my way.
I remember what you were talking about when he says that. At first I didn't kind of remember.
Oh, I have to do all of them. Shit. Oh, no, I don't have to do them. I can skip them! Haha! I can skip the comics.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
When? I don't care. I don't care about the comics. I've got enough money. I only need them for money. I just want to go and destroy shit with my Ryno. Metropolis is the best place for upgrading the Ryno and shit. So going. Metropolis! What a load of bullshit. It's so funny. Nefarious' cutscenes in this place is the best. It's so funny. I love him. Oh, Nefarious is fucking hilarious here. I love it. It's amazing. It makes me ruffle so much. It makes me ruffle. It makes me ruffle. It makes me ruffle and a ruffle and a ruffle. It makes me ruffle.
It's already started. Dr. Nefarious must be around here somewhere. You sure everything's okay, Clank? Maybe Al should take a look at your circuitry.
How do you like my special creation, Clank? I call him Clank. Your dopey friends will be quite fond of him. Say, maybe they'll change your show to Secret Agent Clank. Did you hear that, Lawrence?
You put some wit into it.
Yes, I do, don't I?
awesome.
But soon, it will all be worthwhile.
You will never succeed. Ratchet will put an end to your madness.
The only ending in Ratchet's future is the end of his own life. And you will have a front row seat.
Awesome, let's go. Goodbye. I'm gonna turn it down. Yeah, Metropolis is awesome. Metropolis is badass.
What I like about this one is the
Oh yeah!
remix sort of tone.
Oh my god, this is it. This has what I think it is, doesn't it? Oh no, it's not yet. It's the next one. It's the next upgrade. When they turn into ash. I love it. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Oh, you just have to wait and see. Oh, it's amazing. Up here is still the sacred zone of epicness. For it contains the two enemies, which are kind of powerful, and the world's greatest secret. If you have your clock set at 3 a.m. to in between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m., this is the Insomniac Museum. You can cheat it. And I love that, because that is actually really awesome. If you're lazy enough to not be able to play the game properly, there you go. There's your cheating habits. Goodbye. Goodbye again. Goodbye again. Don't destroy what's out there yet, because they get powerfuler, as you may know. Let's find out. Cutscene time.
It is time,
I love this cutscene as well. I'm going to turn it
time
off.
to unveil the true future of this galaxy. The future I have chosen!
Oh, sorry. Did you say something, sir?
Yes, the device. Now! Behold the final chapter of this galaxy's destiny. The Age of Robots!
On planet Ducks!
Oh, dear. That was your audition for Galactic Idol, wasn't it? I'm dreadfully sorry. By all means, sir. Carry on.
The Ferris is amazing. I still think it should have hit Ratchet. A machine like that went through the walls. Because he said he was decimating planet after planet, so therefore it would have gone through the walls and killed everything. And turning them all to robots. It would have got everyone! My spark plugs go zap, zap, zap with
I
your
guess Ratchet's too cool to turn into a robot.
No, he ain't. He can turn into a robot. A cool robot. Enemies dead ahead. And now they're dead. Yeah, they are dead ahead. Quite literally. Whoa! So many... No. Goodbye, pathetic, worthless enemy. I have 2 million bolts again. Whoa! Thank you, Ryno. You successfully succeeded in giving me 2 million bolts, pretty much. Give or take. You therefore succeeded in being the best weapon of all time ever. If the military had this, there would be no more wars. All wars would cease. We may kill a few of our own men, but it's a sacrifice we're willing to take. Just to have fun.
Hey Tom, have you ever seen this big ass gun?
Whoa!
No, you haven't.
the Ryno. Goodbye, suckers. Oh, and other sucker, obviously. I wonder how much experience I'll get for killing Clank. I love this cutscene too.
Look, Clank, it's Dr. Nefarious and that butler guy. And they've got Clank. They're holding you prisoner. How about that? I guess I should be feeling pretty stupid right now. I don't suppose there's any chance he's the evil Clank. Yeah, didn't think so.
I've been laughing so hard today, my sides ache. I must admit, Ratchet, you've proven to be a far more worthy adversary than that imbecile Quark. Alas, I have a galaxy to conquer, so our game must end here. It's a shame you won't live long enough to see the rest of your kind
Exterminated. Sorry. That's it. I love you fell off.
Well, you get the idea.
This should be easy. Easy-ish, anyway. I'm not going to do the Galactic Ranger missions here, mainly because I want to go to the crash site, because they will have loads of Ryno opportunities to upgrade it. Don't care. To the crash site! Dun da da da! How many worlds have we got? We've got the crash site, Quark Space, Phoenix. We've got 5 levels left. We've done a lot today. I've got a lot of processing to do. I'm Planet Dax. Starship Phoenix. My spark plugs go zap, zap, zap with your nose. I love that, it's amazing. It's so funny.
Just how is it?
Don't care. I know where I'm going. I can upgrade all the weapons I want on my own time, and I'll take you wherever, etc. I'll do that my own. I'm getting the Ryno first. I love the Ryno too much. The Ryno's amazing. The Ryno. Ta-da! Money in the bank. Right, I'm looking forward to this. Goodbye, suckers. Well, this is going to be fun. I can tell you this now. Everything must die.
Wait, what planet was this? This looks familiar.
The crash site.
This is that one planet.
No, this is a new one.
Oh, this is a new planet. It's got some familiar music, like it's already been used.
I think it has. It was used in Blackwater. It was used in Blackwater City.
That one galaxy.
It was used in Blackwater. Blackwater.
Blackwater?
Yeah. Definitely was. Listen to it. You can tell. As soon as you recognize it, if you're told the name of it. Oh, actually, no. Was it maybe? No, maybe it was that military planet in the first game.
Yes, that's what it was.
Oh, this weapon is good. And I got so much money. Ryno is too powerful. It's insane.